Thank you for choosing Clean Club Calgary. What makes us different? We care, we show up and provide professional work. We also customize our cleaning to your needs. Of course, we are covered by WCB, company liability up to $2 million, and run background checks on all of our team members. In order for us to provide you a comprehensive quote, please be as detailed as possible. Providing the square footage is a great start. Once you have answered all the questions, you will receive a detailed quote for weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly services. You are able to pick a package right away and sign. You can either schedule a cleaning right away by continuing with the blue button on the bottom, ready to schedule. This will take you right to our scheduling program, and you will be able to pick date and time for the cleaning. If you are not ready to book, no worries. The system will follow up with you. If you have booked our services, expect a call from me to finalize the details. We take our work seriously and invest time, money, and energy in recruiting new clients to our club. Please expect a follow-up call. We provide jobs to our team members, and we would be happy to serve you as well.